to Frosted Fishing Game. It's put out by Cardinal for ages 4 and older. This is a 2-player game. There are multiple ways to play. Both players can catch snowflakes to see who catches the most in a specific amount of time. You set the time limit. See who can catch 3 of the same color first, or you can time each other to see who clears the board in the shortest amount of time. You will need 2 AA, those are LR6 batteries, and a Phillips, that's crosshead screwdriver to install them. Now I'll remove it from the packaging, demonstrate battery insertion, and game components. Okay, I have the game out of the packaging. Battery insertion is very simple. It's right here, and there's your power switch on and off right here. We have 3 different color snowflakes. So you just put them in like this. Now there are different ways to play, unlike some of the fishing games. This one has different levels of difficulty. You can use 2 barriers for your expert players to have a challenge. An intermediate player perhaps just wants 1 barrier, and beginner players would have no barriers. We also have our fishing poles with the salamanders on them. Now let's watch Anna and Elsa demonstrate gameplay.
Oh my god. You can't use your hand. Oh, I got one. Then over there.